Hey there, welcome back folks. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you, the Level 8 Trunk Luggage, a game changer in the world of travel gear. Now, let me break it down for you. This particular model is the 28-inch luggage with spinner wheels decked out in a sleek navy hue. It's perfect for those who are constantly on the go and need a reliable, durable luggage solution. One of the standout features of this luggage is the luminous textured design on the hard shell exterior. Not only does it look super chic, but it also adds an extra layer of protection to your belongings. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through crowded airports and busy streets. But wait, there's more. The TSA lock ensures that your valuables stay safe and secure throughout your journey. No need to worry about prying hands getting access to your personal items. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of investing in a Level 8 trunk luggage. First off, the ample storage space is a game changer for those who tend to overpack. Guilty as charged. You can fit in all your essentials and then some, without having to sit on your luggage to get it to close. The spinner wheels are a game changer too, allowing you to effortlessly glide through the airport with ease. No more awkwardly dragging your luggage behind you or struggling to navigate tight corners. So, how can you use this luggage to its full potential? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Pack your belongings, lock it up with the TSA lock, and let the spinner wheels do the rest. It's as simple as that. Now, let's talk comparisons. When stacked up against other luggage brands, Level 8 trunk luggages truly shine. The durability and reliability of this luggage make it a top contender in the market. Plus, the stylish design sets it apart from the sea of generic black suitcases. Here's a little pro tip for you: personalize your Level 8 trunk luggage with a fun luggage tag or colorful ribbon to make it stand out on the baggage carousel. Trust me, it'll save you a headache when trying to spot your luggage among a sea of identical bags. In conclusion, the Level 8 trunk luggage is a must-have for any frequent traveler or anyone in need of a reliable, stylish luggage solution. Don't settle for subpar luggage that falls apart. After a few trips, invest in quality that will last you for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your travel game with the Level 8 trunk luggage today and never look back. Trust me, you won't regret it. Safe travels, my friends.